Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions. This is how to fix Onn Roku TV not turning on. So first one is perform a power cycle. So unplug the TV from the power outlet and wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Then plug it back in and power on. Now another one is just simply check for power indicators. So look for a red LED light on the TV. And if absent, just make sure the power cord is securely connected and the outlet is functional. Now, another one is just simply inspect the remote. So just simply replace the remote batteries with fresh ones and use the physical power button on the TV to rule out remote issues. Now, lastly, if any of these doesn't work, just simply perform a factory reset on the TV. Just simply locate the reset button. It will be a small pinhole on the back of the TV. And just simply press and hold it using a paper clip for about 20 seconds and just simply release and wait for the TV to reboot. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more and thanks for watching.